Journalist Topo Chingono is likely to be jailed for 20 years if convicted for communicating falsehoods, a Harare magistrate had. This was reviewed by an investigating officer from the CID Harare Law and Order Section, Love Mo Marwisa, while giving evidence before the magistrate Lazini Ngube, where he argued that the accused was not eligible for bail because he was likely to abscond considering the possible penalty for the offense he was facing. We have overwhelming evidence against the accused as we managed to retrieve the chats that he posted on his Facebook and Twitter accounts while committing the offense. We also have an affidavit prepared by the woman whose child was falsely reported to be dead, Marwisa said. The accused is facing a level 14 offense, which, when convicted, he is likely to be sentenced to jail, a term not exceeding 20 years, he said. The state, represented by prosecutor Nancy Chandakaona, opposed the granting of bail on the basis that he was facing a serious offense, hence was likely to abscond if granted bail. This was after Ngube had dismissed his application to challenge placement on remand. Chingono, MDC Alliance Deputy Chairperson Job Scala, and the MDC Alliance spokesperson Fadzai Mere were facing a similar charge of publishing falsehoods, argued in court that Section 31 of the Criminal Law Act, which they were being charged under, was actually a non-existent law. But Ngube ruled that there were only minor amendments to that law, which involved a few words. The magistrate insisted that the whole section was still in existence. Chingono allegedly posted falsehoods on Twitter to the effect that a police officer had killed a baby with a truncheon. This was after a video of the incident went viral on social media. Police, however, dismissed the reports, saying the child was alive and that both the mother and the child had not sustained any injuries following the scuffle with a Harare police officer. The police, however, did not publish the identity of the woman. Chingono's lawyer, Harrison Como, said his client was not likely to abscond since he had already surrendered his passport to the state as part of his bail conditions on other pending cases. Chingono also stands accused of inciting public violence and obstructing or defending the course of justice. He was denied bail at the magistrate's court on both charges, but was later granted bail at the High Court after several attempts. Through his lawyers, Chingono complained that the prison officers were defying court orders after they failed to isolate him from other inmates, although he was a COVID-19 suspect. The prison officers were also said to have defied a court order to the effect that Chingono must not be brought to court in leg irons. A prison officer told the court that his superiors were demanding a written court order so as to comply with the directives.